What's the meaning of aspergillosis? Aspergillosis. Aspergillosis.
Aspergillosis. Aspergillosis. Aspergillosis is a fungal infection caused by the Aspergillus fungus. It can affect the lungs and cause difficulty breathing, coughing, and chest pain. In severe cases, it can spread to other organs and cause serious complications such as heart failure or brain damage. Aspergillosis can be potentially life-threatening, especially in individuals with weakened immune systems or pre-existing lung conditions. Treatment typically involves antifungal medication, but may also include surgery in some cases. Prompt diagnosis and treatment are essential for better outcomes and to prevent complications.